Find features that distinguish it from other brands for noerishia Portable Infrared Sauna Box for home with 3 liters, 1200 watt steamer. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. True red light therapy infrared sauna. Experience advanced skincare with our professional grade red light, 660 nanometer, and near infrared, 850 nanometer, therapy panel. These optimal wavelengths deeply penetrate skin layers to stimulate blood circulation, boost cellular activity, and promote faster recovery, far more effective than basic LED strips found in cheaper saunas. Powerful 3 liters, 1200 watt steamer for fast heating. Our high-performance portable sauna for home 1200 watt steam generator with a large 3 liters water tank heats up in just 5 minutes, up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. The 360 degrees steam nozzle evenly fills the spacious sauna tent for a relaxing, full-body experience, with 9 adjustable heating speed settings for personalized comfort. Spacious and comfortable for all users. Generous 32x 71 inches interior of personal sauna box fits users of all sizes. The heavy-duty folding chair, 18x 26 inches, features waterproof Oxford fabric and a reinforced steel frame, supporting up to 450 pounds for maximum stability and durability. Quick setup and heavy-duty construction. Assemble your portable sauna in 5 to 10 minutes with our tool-free, removable frame. Built with ultra-sturdy 0.4 mm stainless steel tubing, thicker and more durable than standard 0.2 to 0.3 mm frames found in competitors' models for long-lasting use and easy storage. Premium 5-layer heat-trapping fabric. High-quality thermal insulation keeps heat inside the home sauna for maximum efficiency while being easy to clean. Enjoy consistent warmth with minimal energy loss for a truly relaxing session. Safety first, design for worry-free use. The generator of portable steam sauna includes dry burn protection, explosion-proof safety, and flame-resistant materials. An external pressure relief valve ensures safe operation, while the durable frame and cover provide reliable performance every time. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.